Hi, I'm Shazim. I'm going to share with you how to remove glare or reflection from the glasses in Photoshop. So let's get started. Open your Photoshop software, then open your glare of the glasses image. Go to adjustment layer and click on the curves, and here now decreases the curves, and hold press Ctrl or Command I to inverse the mask, and select the brush tool and foreground color is white, and just click on the reflection area. Now create a new layer and layer name color, selected the color layer and go to blending option and select the color, then select the brush tool and then select it to foreground color white and flow 25%, and take a sample, hold press Alt key and click on the skin to take a sample, and just easily and gradually paste the reflection area where is reflection and glare. Now again go to adjustment layer and curves, and RGB level decreases and red level some increase or decreases, red level decreases and green level some increase, and blue level some increase. And go to and level, now take one layer and select the clone stamp tool, and now take a sample of the skin, and here need to modify and mask the skin. So just take a sample, hold press Alt key and just to mask the skin. Select the burn tool and select the background and just black area, some dark, need to dark, so I click the dark area, and now completed the remove glare from the glasses. That is the before image and that is the after image. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel for more updates and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.